It's finally here. The Ducati. I've been long waiting for this bike. It's a limited edition, road homologated, race track ready bike. One that they've used in the WSBK World Championship Series. A bike that will blow minds away. You already know what it is if you know your bikes. 234 horsepower, only weighs 165.5 kilograms. It's the almighty Ducati, and I'm about to unbox this in person. I can finally unveil the Ducati V4R, the WSBK race bike. Here in Australia, very limited in numbers. The same bike raced in the British Superbike Championship. This bike is very, very special. Ultra lightweight compared to the V4, the V4S, which are the street going models. This is more of the race spec bike, but it isn't just a bike that we're gonna leave as stock standard. This is the project bike. You heard that right. The Supercar advocates, or let's slash that, Super Bike advocates project bike. So what we're doing is we've got all new panels coming in. So the same bike panels that you see, but fresh panels repainted in a special color. So it's going to be one-off with all the carbon fiber bits that go onto the bike. So all the added dry carbon fiber. So right now, stock standard for a V4R, you get the front wings in dry carbon, the front fender also in dry carbon. You've got the Super Corsa tires on it. These are race semi-slick tires. It's not really a street going bike, but you can ride it on the street. It is registerable, but it isn't so comfortable, as they say. But one thing that makes this bike stand out beyond the rest is the brushed aluminium fuel tank cover up here, which absolutely looks sensational in person. So the trick is, do we keep this when we respray this whole thing and turn it into a customized bike, or do we change this up a bit? But that's another day. But for now, I can tell you I am super excited. Everything about it is simply stunning. It's hot. It's fire breathing, it's red right now. It's like a Ferrari red. But what can I say? It's a very aerodynamic bike. Look at this. So you've got gaps in here, air inlets that actually flows air right down here, gives you more downforce. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna convert this. So we're gonna change the wheels. Let's talk about carbon fiber wheels. That's an option. And the rear fender, get rid of that. So we're gonna cut that back. It's gonna look amazing. So what Ducati have done? Okay, for the WSBK series, there's a limit of 1,000 cc for bikes. So the road going V4, V4S are 1,103 cc. So this bike has 998 cc. So it's a smaller sized engine. But what Ducati did was it's dropped 1,100 grams of weight. So it's a lightweight engine. There's my Sedici Stradale R engine in this bike, which is the race going engine. And they've given it titanium interior parts. So the engine is very unique to this bike only, and to the V4 Superleggera, which is a next limited edition bike that costs $155,000. This bike, on the other hand, is the actual bike that they use in that race series. So with it all being lightweight, with the seat here being a different material altogether and a thinner padding, that we're also going to change it up a bit, add more flair, more drastic, it's going to be something unique, something that we haven't done before, especially on our channel. But if I'm going to keep talking about this bike, I'm just going to go on for days. It's absolutely stunning in person, and I'm looking forward to the project that's going to be coming out of this. So until then, guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.